Hello everyone, I welcome you to this session. Today we will see how to include mathematical symbol in LaTeX, how to write mathematical equations in LaTeX, and how to label and number those equations in LaTeX. So, whenever you will try to write a mathematical equation, the first thing you have to do is you have to import this AMS math class. Now once you import this AMS math class, then inside this begin document, wheresoever you will write mathematical equation, that should be written in between two dollar sign. The first dollar sign will indicate the start of the equation and the last dollar sign will indicate the end of the equation. So let's head back to our LaTeX document. Now over here, the first thing I will do is I will import this AMS math class. Then over here I will write is given by ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now I will compile this code. Now you can see that this quadratic equation ax plus by plus c will appear normal. Now suppose I want to write this equation in math mode. So what I will do is I will add a dollar before a and then I will add a dollar after 0. And now I will again compile it. You can see that the ax plus by plus c is now italic. Okay, so in this way you will add any equation to math mode. Now let us see how you can include various math symbol. To do so, you will write dollar backslash alpha for alpha. I will compile this thing and I can see that alpha symbol will appear on my screen. Similarly, I can add beta also. And again I can add gamma also. Now let us compile this code and you will see alpha, beta, gamma will appear on your screen. So in this way you can import various mathematical symbol in your LaTeX document. Now let us see how you can create fractions. So for that you will write frac and you will write, suppose you will write a upon b. So sorry, you have to end this math class, okay, and I will execute it. Okay, so you will get a by b. Okay, now suppose you want to write a plus b upon b plus c, so you will write it in this way: a fraction in curly bracket a plus b and the curly bracket close and the next curly bracket open and b plus c. Now let us compile this code. Okay, so in this way you can write the fractions also. Now let us see how you can add a subscript and superscript in this math mode. So suppose I want to write ax to the base and suppose I want to write by. So it can be written in this way. And again I will end the math mode and I will compile this. So I can see that ax underscore by will appear on my screen. Similarly, if I want to add superscript, then I will write, suppose I want to write ax to the power by. So I will use the caret symbol and again I will compile this code. Okay, sorry, I forget to end this math mode. Okay, so this is how it will goes to superscript. Now you can combine subscript and superscript together, no problem. So suppose you can write ax. I will simply copy this code and For example, I will write by caret cx and let us see whether it works or not. Okay, so you can add this. Now combining all these symbols and other things, you can easily develop any equation. Okay, for an example, you want to write f of x equals to integration of, so I will write \int integration, and then I have to write minus infinity to infinity, so I will write minus and I will write infinity caret sign and again infinity. I will end this math mode and again I will compile this. Now you can see that f of x minus infinity to infinity will appear over here. Okay, and now you will simply go on adding the symbols and the equation will be built automatically. Okay, so again, if you want to add fraction of sin x plus cos, okay, instead of using direct sin x, I will use \sin x plus cos y upon theta, and again I will compile this code. Yes, now you can see that the equation will be displayed. Okay, now you can add few more things over here if you want. Again, if you want to continue this, then you can, suppose you want to write tan theta, so again tan theta will appear over here. You can see this. So in this way you can use math mode to write to include any mathematical symbol or to write any equation. Okay, now suppose you want to add a matrix, so you will write inside this $, you will write begin matrix and end matrix. Okay, so after end matrix I will end this math mode. Okay, and then I will write A, B, C, D, and I will compile this code and I will get 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, suppose I will, instead of this, I will write C matrix. Sorry, I will use B matrix. Okay, so you will get this square bracket on this matrix. Again, you can include special symbol also, so you can include alpha and beta here, no problem. So in this way the alpha and beta will also be included in this matrix. Okay, so in this way you can include symbols in your LaTeX document, you can include matrix in your LaTeX document, and by combining all these symbols you can write equations very easily. We will continue this discussion in next tutorial also. Thank you.